Hi, students, and welcome to week 14 in Lifespan Growth and Development. I can't believe we are in week 14. We are just right here at the end. Of course, we have this week, week 14, and next week, week 15 of regular class, and then week 16, our final exams. So we are approaching the end. And it's fitting that now we are here at the end looking at late adulthood. And so, by your book's definition, this is 65 and older. And of course, we'll start with the body and mind this week in chapter 14. And next week, look at the psychosocial development in late adulthood. And those are our last two chapters for the class. So this week, you have, of course, your chapter 14 quiz. I have also put in a maturing and aging video. There's not a particular assignment linked to it, but I think it really enhances the material that you're reading about with this chapter. But you do have a discussion question this week, our final discussion question, and this is on becoming an expert at the impact of loneliness and social isolation. So what we know through Erikson's theory and really just what all the concepts that we learn about late adulthood is the feelings of loneliness and being socially isolated being prevalent through those in late adulthood. I know that many of you in your interviews with someone in late adulthood, the person you're interviewing mentioned having so many people around them dying and missing so many of their friends and family members who have passed on. So, of course, as we age and we become the older or oldest amongst our family and friends, that means that there's a lot of people that were part of your life for a long time that are no longer living. So as we think about that and we really study that in this chapter, I want to have you do a discussion question about it. So please don't look at this and think, oh my gosh, there's so many parts to this. Let's break it down right here. So the first thing is I've posted links to 2 articles. And these articles will give you more of an understanding about what's going on in the research and the data that has been done on loneliness and social isolation. Of course, there's a couple chapters in your book here that you can also use to look at these. One will take you back to chapter 13, that idea of intimacy that we talked about in chapter 13, which was really adulthood. And then chapter 15, looking a little bit ahead, will talk to you about late adulthood. So those may be helpful for you. You may feel good with the 2 articles. So just know you have some resources there. And really what I'm looking for is 3 paragraphs. So the first paragraph you're looking at answering these questions. In the second paragraph, these, and in the third paragraph, you have these questions. So don't forget to respond to additional classmate. Good luck, everybody, and have a great week.